Good morning, ladies and gents. We are about a mile from our destination here in Plymouth, Michigan. It is a beautiful day. It is sunny, but it's 42 right now since it's 8:50 in the morning. So it's a little cold, but I don't think it's going to deter anybody from coming to this event. So it's looking to be a good turnout. I'm excited for this event. Let's hit it. Car's sounding good. Car sounding nice this morning, nice and crispy. I usually brush my teeth after I drink coffee in the morning, so like my teeth are really coffee stained. Oh well, I guess that's just how it's gonna be today. That's fine. The Google Maps takes you to like a different way, and I think it's the other side. I'm just gonna follow this guy because he's got like an old hot rod, and it looks like we have some signage that says cars and coffee. All right, we're in the right place now. Dude, it is packed. Holy moly. Did I come in the right way? Holy shit. There's a line of traffic on the other side there. I think I can pop in this way. Busy one this morning, ladies and gents. A couple vets, a couple C8s, a couple oldies, a couple Subies. A lot of vets. I wonder if there's like a vet club today or something that came over. So that's the event right over there. And I guess we got a cool spot. So I'm going to put my phone down and talk to these nice folks. There are a ton of cars here. We're gonna have our work cut out for us, and we're definitely getting our steps in today because there's like like 3 football fields of parking lots full. Little GT3 and 296. We did get a nice little spot here courtesy of Mr. Matt. If you need a home in Southeast Michigan, there you go. What we're gonna do is just walk up and down and kind of take a gander because there are so many cars here. Like I said, should we start? Let's start over this way since we're already here. That new Lotus sounds good. Is that stock exhaust? I was gonna say. Oh, that's way loud. Hard Knocks plate on the 488. I do want to take a look at this. Jaguar, Viper. There must be, is there like a Corvette club or something? Because they're all over there. I saw like 15 come in at once.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I did not, what the hell?
Little 3RS action and a G80. This is like the Instagram cloud combo, but rightfully so. Look at this back to the magnesium wheels.
Magnesium wheels were optional on the front side, yes. I think that is the design.
That's wild.
Or that, I'm sorry. If that exhaust.
This is beautiful.
That's for Challenger. Oh, Zeus bronze, baby.
Thank you. That looks pretty in that flake.
White charge up.
That's what I thought. I kind of associated
this is like picture perfect in my eyes. If you guys didn't know, I almost sold my car and bought a 981 that had a whole GT4 kit. So it would have been this exact wing, these little inlets, front bumper, and everything. And it was all from the Flat 6 website, all painted. Literally looks exactly like this car. And unfortunately, the seller stopped responding, so I couldn't buy it. But this is exactly what it looked like. Wow. Now I'm kind of sad. That's a beautiful car. I'm gonna get out of this guy's picture. I see this car all the time. It's just the craziest build with this Dom Toretto wing. Insane. Look at the wheels on that V8.5.
More the merrier in the
mackerel.
complex as far as we're concerned. We'll have our whole
I gotta check out that car when it
shop
parks.
open.
Another B8.5. Filling up with the Audis. There we go. Ooh. That's beautiful. Carbon everywhere. That's a beautiful color on the wheel too. That's a beautiful color on the car. Jeez.
Something tells me it's a little faster than it
Holy crap. Yeah. Boost logic. That's nice. That's nice. Then we got a 997 right here. 718. M4 Viper. We're not even like, I'd say we've maybe explored 40%. Oh, I see a Huracan.
is that that's fucking hilarious, dude.
Got a 1016 wing. Forged carbon. Bush kid. I wonder what that means. Look at the flake on this in the sun. Little drift car. Oh. This is like the last camo you unlock. Actually, it's more like a DLC camo, I think.
It's like candy paint.
Dude, it's
In a
nuts.
way, I love the Band-Aid.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's a top tier plate. Got an M8 comp. The 4-door model. Avant. Then this is the car posted on my Instagram that got like a disgusting amount of likes because people love this car. I gotta find the owner. F80 M3, another car I almost bought. F82 M4, another car I almost bought. I love the M3s because their hips just come out like crazy. It's like 3 inches. The M4 does not do that, so actually perfect side-by-side comparison. Comes out a little bit, but it's not as dramatic. And then this is just parked over the lip, and it still sticks out more than these cars. That's so funny. This car is like 23 feet long. I like. I hear a Huracan. Oh yeah, this is a sick car too. GTS. A little carbon everywhere. Woo. The cone sticker, my bad. Good plate too. Super slow.
On orange as you should.
Ooh, yeah. This is my favorite color on the G80s and G82s. Joey has that exact same color on the M3.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dude, the arrow on this is just disgusting. You can fit your whole arm through it. Anybody recognizes these signatures, let us know who signed it. 728, same color as Jeff's. Does that wing come on MC20s? I don't think it does.
I do not think so.
I gotta take a look at that because it looks pretty good. Oh, it's Steve. They're hiding over here in the corner. Gonna have to take a peek after we walk down this row. Whoa, this is a cool one. So same wheels I have, different color, very different car. That's interesting. And these don't quite have the concavity that mine do. That looks good. We have seen this RS3 at other events too, which I believe makes a bunch of power. Again, another car I almost bought. We're just seeing them all today. Little Urus action. I like the color on this a lot. Another car that just looks crazy in the sun. Jeez. Jeez. That's insane. Dude, that was packed. That was insane. Huge shout out to the ECC meet. That was absolutely well run. I didn't get a coffee there because I made one this morning, but they had plenty of refreshments for everybody. They had huge turnout. Overall, great time, man. That was awesome. That was a really well run event. Met a couple cool people as well, which is always fun. It's 11:19, so we were there over 2 hours, which is awesome. But gonna take a little break, head home, and then we are going to the Troy meet, which I already kind of alluded to. Busy day for us, man. A lot of car stuff going on. Not quite carred out yet. Good news and bad news about this meet. Good news is we are arriving. Bad news is The GPS says it's gonna be 9 minutes to go 1 mile. So I assume traffic is really backed up. This is right off 16 Mile or Big Beaver, if you guys are familiar with the area. So I don't know if this is just gonna be chaos. I assume it is. This is gonna be an interesting one, folks. The event technically started almost an hour ago. So I'm anticipating some sort of spectator parking anyways, but I don't know what to expect here. We'll find out together. This is madness. There are so many cars trying to turn there. I'm going this way, and then it looks like cars have also started to go kind of in this back way, so I have no idea. Again, there's no like sense of direction. The other one was very, the other one was very well kind of directed, but this is on a much busier road, so I think we're all just kind of in it together. Hoping that there's parking maybe up that way. I doubt it though. Oh my goodness, it's 104. Getting honked at by everybody. I think this guy behind me is gonna go. Whoa, brother. But it looks like people are turning up there. Might be able to kind of find parking over this area. Who knows? For the first time since we left, we are officially on the property. Already a couple of the same cars from the ECC meets, including that RS6 that I saw. And traffic is going absolutely nowhere, man. I think that's the same Huracan up there too. I see Steve's MC20, that GTR, a few familiar vehicles from this morning. Now is the challenge of finding a parking spot. So this is like the overflow auxiliary parking. Some familiar cars again from last season, like this. Absolute beauty. Most of the action's actually happening over here, so we're gonna see what's going on. It is nice out, but holy cow, I hope there's no issue getting out of here. I don't know if this is a private lot or what, but people started parking here, so I decided I'm gonna do the same. This guy moved a cone and just decided to park next to that pile of dirt. That's funny, man. It is so freaking busy. It took me 30 minutes to park, so now that we're good, let's go check it out. So we got Steve's car again, same Huracan from this morning. More auxiliary parking, looks like down there. And then holy cow, you guys can hear me over the wind. This is one of my favorite cars in Southeast Michigan. I see this guy all the time. Absolute favorite. He had this, I believe it's like a satin black wrap last year, so he changed that a little bit. Also, have seen this guy on social media, so both these guys are, looks like one there, and then forget this guy's social, but some cool stuff out. Also saw at Technica at Cars and Coffee before, and then I think this is actually the same GT3 that was at ECC earlier. And then this is a different 3RS. The one earlier, one at ECC was gray, so this one's white. Ooh, that's nice. Huracan Spider. I haven't even started exploring over here yet. This is not a small parking lot, and everywhere is full. I mean, you guys saw how long it took us to get in here. Look how far this goes. Look at the color on this thing, dude. Holy moly. Pretty color RS7. Woo, with the BBSs too, that's nice. A couple of big sedans. Holy crap, guys, I haven't stopped walking. This is the biggest event I've been at, I think, in my life. And that includes like all the M1 concourse and everything. Because I think this is really the first day that it's been decent. So last weekend sucked, which was technically like the opener for a lot of things, because it's the first Saturday of the month. But this is, I feel like the people are just itching to come out. I wonder if this connects over here too. Oh look, it's Stan. Let's go bother him while he's trying to leave. Stan is on the way out, and it looks like it's the same case for a lot of these folks. But we are parked over here, which means we should have a decent little exit, hopefully. I really don't want to drive on 16 Mile again because it sucks coming in, but just gotta do what we gotta do. I'm gonna go take one little pass by my car, make sure everything's still good. What I assume a lot of these cars are also, we're probably coming in there, doing exactly what I did, and then realizing all these spots are full. So if they're just coming in, they're probably doing a quick drive-by and leaving. But I don't even know if I can get out now. For reference, this is where I turned in. And I turned where that purple BMW is right now. So it looks like the traffic coming out is also gonna have to go on 16 Mile. So that's what's going on right now. A little Turbo S or Turbo. With the addition of foot traffic, this is just not great. Ooh, ZR1? Yeah, if there's any way I can get out of here without going on Big Beaver Road, I'm gonna do it, but I don't think that's gonna be the case, unfortunately. Might be the most insane plate of all time. Quick appreciation for the Z06 spec. That is gorgeous. It's like champagne wheels. That's nice. I like that a lot. Oh, it's chaos down here, folks. Whoa, I didn't see this earlier because I wasn't even on the side, but holy cow. Had to get out while I had the chance. Dude, that was the most chaotic me I have ever seen. Holy cow. And it wasn't chaotic because it was like rambunctious, like people were doing dumb stuff. It was just like the most busy thing. And that, I mean, it was fine. It was great. It was fun. I walked around, saw some cars. There were just so many people, and I somehow was able to exit in 1 minute. So I plotted my exit route, my last little lap, and got out of there. But dude, twin turbo R8, some other fun supercars. It was a good time. I mean, you can definitely tell people were itching to get outside and get to a car event, which is awesome because it's 60 and sunny right now. So I'm ready to take the rest of the day off, except I can't. I have to go edit this video because it's going up Sunday, which you guys are watching this on. I need like an iced coffee or something, man. I am exhausted. We've been up for a while. Long day. I just ran out of space on my phone, so we're in the editing studio. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like for the algorithm and subscribe for more stuff like that. That was a busy one. That was crazy. Thank you guys very much for watching. Until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see ya.